3 days tournament.
Oh, yes.
During the Coca-Cola Games, dinangani may taon na uda. Kawumbo ni Ramaruta. Kirumbo tabi kaningo. Ni Ramaruta po libo na lubenda. Some of them are first timers in Suba. Na sar-sar chuko beka ni singi kuwa bida ni singango. Dimber ni rangoli chuka di nakoro. A very good morning to you all. Ano ka Eleanor?
Oh, yan rin talangan na itubo-tubo doon ba susu. All the mothers that are tuning in from our homes because since we are experiencing unfavorable weather condition this morning, so mommy is expected. You have to expect mommy to sleep a little bit longer.
Please, mommy couldn't sleep.
Sleep, mommy. It's your time to rest because malatera sa sirig ito lang one.
Mommy is
Kids, you can also help mommy today.
Oh, okay.
Wake up, kids, for once. You can help mommy with preparing breakfast. Pancake, if it's easy. Because some kids, some of our daughters, they are used to baking.
Right.
They know how to bake. So whatever you can bake, please bake it. Help mommy this morning.
So it's very important for the mothers out there who are tuning in this morning. To teach our young ones, young girls, how to cook the cassava, the simple ones. Cassava, napakatokati, napakasangaraisi. Okay, what kind of food do you always fail in?
Me? I haven't tried baking what's this? Purini.
Oh, okay.
Sember magandua. In my whole life.
Pasang bakibasa nga bulu kawalungo.
Wow!
And still can't bake the purini.
I have never tried baking the purini.
But have you tried?
No, I haven't. I'm planning to make it. So I am. I'm collecting all my empty butter containers.
So to make the purini.
Right.
Okay,
I'm learning.
How many? Okay, carry on.
I am learning. I have just seen one of the ladies, a Fijian lady. She now resides in America, I believe. She has a page. My Buralaylay.
Right.
Yeah, and she shares her recipes in
online.
that
okay, on the page.
On her page.
Right.
Very helpful to us. Very helpful.
Okay.
So I have seen the way she does her purini. Very beautiful.
So apart from the purini, is there any other like identity that you can't bake?
Can bake. I can bake all the identity.
Except the purini.
Please, I can bake sikoni. I can bake anything.
Have you asked the kids at home if they want to eat the purini?
My kids, they don't even know what purini is because I haven't baked it at home.
Tampak ginagawa mo kanila, ito kilibert ko is the purini bebato. Okay, and bukod dito kanina matakan di garavi ni kuwa. Na okay. Awit better ni kung don taro elano.
Tarmay.
Turang tama.
Right.
Matakir na maram tina. This kind of weather, who gets cold quickly?
I think
in the farm.
Right.
You go out to the farm,
yes,
and it's raining. Who will get cold quickly?
Dad.
Okay, why? What's the
Dad
reason?
will get cold quickly.
Right.
Because mothers, when they after the farm, they come home, they'll come and do their washing again. You will see. Daddies know. They'll come home as soon as they reach home because that is the only job that they'll do.
Right.
Yeah, they'll reach home, they'll bath, they'll have a cup of tea, and then that's it. Mothers know when they come home, they'll have to do their washing.
Okay.
Yeah. They'll have to do other things at home, scrub the driveway or the footpath.
Okay, another question.
What
if
question?
They go and tanga the modi, with the wife, who will get cold quickly?
Dad. Yeah, because Dad will also get cold quickly.
So, skip na maramatin sa something else, eh?
Yes, with something else. We're very unpredictable.
Is the
very
blood
thick skin.
or the what?
It's
Is the blood circulation or?
But after all that, like we feel cold. But kion do borata.
And the man?
Irasanga.
But ila grog tu na tero kinauda.
Yeah, no, grogging is different.
Well, the main thing is the bata-bata.
Yes, the main thing is the bata-bata. The grogging, the coal is hidden inside.
Right.
It will hide inside.
Right.
But doing other work, kimem na marama, kimem ni oti kada maya kimsan kami paklato kana bata-bata. After all our job, then we can feel okay. After bathing and when we are coming home, ngono sar nga kimsan kento paklaki na bata-bata. Na ngona roll to get a job.
So So mother,
Very nice.
so mom is stronger than dad.
Mom is stronger than dad. Dad is not strong. The only
Okay, derbitalo chicken bata era bukan bata ko utar
Right,
na.
right.
During the cyclone season, the walubu, dangi bata in the
Right.
open air in the Batuloa,
Yes.
you can see them there from 8 a.m. in the morning
Yes.
to 12 midnight. Grog.
Wakadua.
Ano bata?
Patapataya.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Ha?
We have to ask Mikael, eh?
Iyo.
He can answer this question. And the proof is there. The proof is happening right now to Mikael Galubula.
Saya nak to make at the Pastina and the movie talk and matang di Bengram di Kua and to all the staff, the
Right.
doctors and the nurses who are working this morning,
Yes.
same shift this morning, and the people in Bula Kedasara.
Right.
And okay, do you have any message for the kids who are enjoying their school break right now?
My message to the kids who are enjoying the school break,
Yeah.
it doesn't mean that you have to ignore your books and pens. Eh?
Yeah.
What you have to do is you schedule your study time.
Right.
Because there are certain tasks during the school that you don't understand.
Right.
So this is the perfect time for you to relook at that work. If you have access to internet at home, or if you have your phone, or even smart TV.
Yeah.
Without losing or without wasting any time on other cartoons or art. I'm not saying that it's bad.
Yeah.
I'm just saying you can also like allocate time
Yeah.
for you to relook at those subjects.
Yeah.
Do your research. Maybe you will grasp the concept that is being taught
Yeah.
in the YouTube or Google. And also the weather
Yeah.
that we are facing right now, if you are tuning in from the village,
Right.
parents, it's very important that we keep our kids safe.
Occupied, eh?
Yes, keep them occupied at home.
Yeah.
Please say no to drugs. Don't kako ni baka bimurmuri baka bitalia
Yeah.
kasombe na ngonera ngolmaira. Look, sometimes we try to act cool.
Yeah.
We try to fit into that certain group.
Yeah.
So nakangay ko matakaba.
Yeah.
Try na namu will pa me ko watiko. Ano ba
naka-
naka Jimmy, ano ba naka Jimmy Wira?
Yeah.
Namu will pa me ko watiko.
Yeah.
Try and teach yourself to say no.
Doon mo nak.
It shows that you are powerful.
Yeah.
Ano barta ka namu kung ko kowa.
Yeah.
Sanga ba kando ni barta ka ni ko molmolumo.
Doon mo nak. Kaya kaya ka doon
Yes.
ta show sarang matang
Right.
na bisig ni kuha. Say no to drugs rangone.
Right.
Kaya kayo korete doon ka ni dalo chicken matamu possible no mo friend. Tukuno buha. That's wrong.
Right.
Walk away. Don't walk away. Ano mo bito ka na pagkatam bisig ni kuha. Yawan siya Farsiko Albinaka John Kumar Albinaka friend all the guys from Braraville Singatoka.
Yan benaka ratu ilaiti Andre Buta.
Iyo.
Panini benaka tu ulayasi randoke. Yan benaka William Zamebula. Do yan ratu yan
How's
benaka.
the weather in Braraville right now?
Right.
It's a bit dull this morning. The weatherman says it's gonna be raining all over the country.
Right. Melineta Lebu. Yan benaka. Holiday ni ko Australia, Labor Day.
Labor
Labor Day. Oy, binaka ba Lebu?
one and a half.
Right.
Okay, all right. Holiday.
Holiday.
One and a half. What did we give the Lviv to Australia? Australia, wow, Australia. Ano po ni Vito Kanye marutang siguro na nominee off. Sen holiday and buko ni Australia Day.
Chachi da Lebu Jody, Nro yan benaka Yowane. Totoka na bito kanya na mataka ni kuwa.